Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nina, and in this video I will make a top arch. I don't know exactly how it's called, but it's simply an arch on the top part of the metal hoop. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like the video, guys, and leave a comment. I made 6 balloons per cluster. That means twisting 3 duplets together, and I started at the center. I twist a pair of balloons over the hoop. Then for the succeeding clusters, before twisting them, push it towards the other cluster to minimize the gaps. Make sure that the large balloons are facing the front. I just continue adding clusters until I reach my desired garland length. Then the triplets. I like them small, like 3 inches, so the size contrast of the larger balloons, smaller balloons on the garland is very visible. That makes an organic balloon garland. And of course, I attach them using rubber bands. For the greeneries, I will use 2 types. The first one are the eucalyptus leaves. This color fits the olive green balloons. I just look for natural gaps and carefully insert them. If the install is indoors, I won't worry that they will fall off. But if the install is outside, better tie them with 260s or rubber bands. Next, I put the lavender wisteria, inserting them where I think they should be. And I always start at the center to evenly distribute them. Then the next greenery is this beautiful vine I bought from AliExpress. I placed them in between the wisteria. Just one tip, if your balloon palette is all light colors, use light colored greeneries or light shade greeneries too, like the vine I'm using. If you have darker palette, you can use darker greeneries too. It's just an opinion. Here it is, my easy balloon arch. Thank you for watching and hope you like it. See you in my next one. Bye bye.